In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sort products by price on Temu app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, so if you want to buy anything on Temu app, but you'll only like to go ahead and see products that are within specific price range, it is possible to do it on Temu. So the first thing you need to do is go ahead and log into your app, and from the app, choose the category you want to buy from. And we have quite a number of categories here. For instance, let me go ahead and choose men's work utility footwear. And we have quite a number of footwears here. But I would like to go ahead and choose within a specific price range of maybe between $20 to $30. To do that, I can sort it according to the price. To sort it, go ahead and choose the sort by option here. And if I click on it, we can either sort it by top sales, most recent, low price, or price high to low. So I'll go ahead and choose the last option, and it will show me the prices ranging from high to low. By this, I'll be able to go to my category that I want. For instance, I want boots that are within $20 to $30, and they should now be on the lowest level here. So that's how you can sort your prices or any products according to prices on Temu app. If this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.